also got this all masked up today. Trying to keep some of the original labels, but hopefully this is going to be orange if I can get that paint right. But I think it looks pretty good. Hopefully it'll turn out nice. And also, I got a little present delivered. Oh, my lovely wheels. So these will get mounted on the bottom of this, because I'll turn this into a nice little mobile table saw. I'll have some, I've got some 12mm at the moment, MDF, but I might double that up, attach that to the bottom and then put my wheels on top. But they are lovely. Red will match the orange and the black quite nicely. But yeah, so that's all done. Bottom's all painted, so this will be my next one to hopefully prime, maybe tomorrow night, because I can't do anything now while I wait for that to dry. So yeah, all looking good so far.